What's up, guys? Today we are making the quickest Paleo Bob's Burgers burger, so let's get to it. So start by cooking your bacon on a skillet, and then after you cook it, we're going to save that bacon grease and cook our Brussels sprouts in it. And you're going to cook them for 5 minutes on medium-high heat until they brown, and then we're going to add our pistachios after that and just cook it for about another 2 minutes and then remove them from heat. And then since this is Paleo, we're not going to have any buns, so we're going to use a lettuce bun. I just used a slice of iceberg lettuce, and that was enough to wrap over the burger. So we're going to put that down, then put our burger, and then we're using vegan sour cream. And then put the Brussels sprout and pistachio mixture. But I got mine from Kite Hill, but you could get any sour cream. And then I seasoned the hell out of it because it was honestly really gross on its own. And I expected more, but it wasn't as good. So I put a ton of garlic powder and Cajun seasoning in it. You could see that right there. And I thought it paired really, really well with the burger. And then we're just going to add our bacon on top. And that's it. It was really good. This is something really easy if you need something quick. But yeah, if you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe. You can follow the journey and do it yourself. But bon appetit, y'all.